Good morning. Welcome to another midweek episode. And this week we're going to unbox some things from Vic Offroad.
So what have we got first, John?
We've got a LED light bar, 42 inch. Okay, so I've always wanted a light bar for the car. This one's going to go on the roof rack. I went and got myself some brackets for the roof rack and a wiring harness. But the LED light bar was supplied through Vic Offroad. You just love getting new stuff. Get your finger in there, that is. Alright, so you get an instruction booklet. Some brackets, some clips, so you can have it different mounting solutions. Okay. Oh, what's in the box? Little box. The different little coloured thingamajiggies, so you can change the colour on the side of your light bar.
They're called colour caps, John.
Colour caps. I knew that. I just wanted to see if you would pick it up. So you get 1, 2, 3 different colours, and we'll see what's there's thinning on the light bar. That's the light bar.
All right, got my notes.
Oh, no. That's good actually, because there's a lot. There's a lot, okay. And it's a very good product.
All right, so it's a Rigel Series 42-inch Osram LED light bar. Now, none of this stuff means anything to me. John knows what I'm talking about, and I have no idea.
I do. And also, on your notes, it doesn't say it's IP68 water rated as well.
Oh, okay.
I've just noticed, so
right.
There you go.
All right, so let me tell you, it's 1 lux at 1,285 metres, 21,281 lumens.
Wow.
Do you know what that means?
It's bright.
Okay. It's built with an Axo Noble powder coating for superior UV and corrosion resistance.
It's got to be good.
Okay. Anti-scratch PC lens. I've got to put it up now. And brackets ensuring robust strength. Mm-hmm. Dual mount design, so it can be installed on the roof or the roof racks. Where are you putting ours?
I'm putting it on the roof racks.
Okay.
But what that means is you get different brackets so you can mount it from... I'll explain later when we get to that bit.
Versatile colour options. So John just showed you the colour caps. Amp draw. So I think we're going into the... This is
a bit over my head. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I sort of know it, but I don't.
Amp draw is 19A at 12 volt. Operating voltage is 10 to 30 volts. Expected lifespan is 50,000 hours, and the gross weight is 4.15 kilos. It has a 5-year warranty.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, and there's a 15% discount somewhere.
A 15% discount. There it is there.
There. So...
They pack it pretty good. Oh, it's even got orange caps too. Wow, that's one sexy light bar. And it's also got I think they're called a Dodgy or Ducci light bracket. So you plug, so you can plug it in.
It's all plug and play, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all plug and play. So that matches up with any wiring harness.
Okay, so...
Oh, it's so shiny. Okay, so these are the brackets you get, those ones and those ones.
Yeah.
So these ones here, quickly, they're for side mounting it on the side.
Yeah.
And these ones at the back are for remounting it. So you can mount it, there's slide bits along there, you just screw it into there.
Okay.
Then you can adjust it, whichever way you want to adjust it.
Alright.
But we'll be doing an install video on this as well. So watch out for that.
Okay.
So the next product is an updated inverter. So we'll just open that up. Okay. Some cable in there. Another 15% discount. And your instruction booklet.
John doesn't like using instructions.
That's a guy thing. And there you see. Oh, you've got some. Some wires. Obviously, you can take it straight to your battery. It comes with a remote control. So when we bought the one for the caravan, we actually had to buy the remote control separate.
Oh.
Yeah, so this one is good. It comes
But that
with-
wasn't this brand.
wasn't this brand, no, it was a different brand. But this one looks to be, it even tells you what your battery's up to. And you also get some spare fuses.
Awesome. Okay, I'm back.
But first, this one also has an LED display as well. LED display, got your USB point, you've got your on and off power there, and you've got your 2 plugs there to plug in whatever you want to plug in.
Awesome.
Awesome.
All right.
So before we go too far, this one will be going in the car and not the caravan for now. And then later on,
And why? Why are we doing that, John?
because we don't have one in the car.
We don't have it, and we want to go to a few camping places
Yep.
that we can't take the caravan to.
That's right. So we can split it up. Now we can actually cook on this with an induction cooker, or you can plug whatever you want in.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to tell you a few bits that I've written down again. Atem Power 3000 watt to 6000 watt pure sine wave inverter.
That's huge.
12 volt to 240 volt car, caravan, camping and boat.
And I'll tell you one thing, it is a good size for that size inverter. Usually they're double the size of that.
The 3000 watt continuous power and surging at 6000 watt, energizing your AC devices from a 12 volt source. It's got 91% efficiency rating. It's made from rugged aluminium and equipped with a built-in fuse built to withstand vibrations, shocks and corrosions. Features are an integrated protection system that shields against undervoltage, overvoltage, overloads, overheating and short circuits. I know what that all means.
That's all sounds pretty good to me.
It has an LCD display for real-time monitoring.
Right there.
There, somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. It has a remote control for flexible operation, making it user-friendly. We've had to do a few takes here and John's getting frustrated with me.
I'm not getting frustrated.
Would you like to show them the remote control? Up close, please,
This one?
John.
Okay, look at that. Isn't that a beauty? And I ain't mucking around either. It just tells you everything. Actually, I had that upside down.
Did you? No, you don't.
There we go. Yes,
John, that's upside down now. Look, you've got... Oh, God.
Cut that one out.
No, I'm not. All right.
Anyway, there's your data cable as well.
All right.
So you can run that pretty much wherever you want.
It has dual silent thermal fans for rapid cooling, maintaining optimal temperature,
They're huge in the back there. If you don't know if you can see them or not.
less than 50 decibels. So that would be quiet.
That would be quiet, yes.
The gross weight of this is 6.25 kilos.
That's not bad, actually.
And it has a 1-year warranty.
Wow.
So this is good because John hates camping, but I like camping. Well, it's not that he hates it.
It's just...
He just prefers the caravan. I like to go out in our swag.
I don't mind the swags, but...
Even though I'm scared of snakes getting into it.
I just like being comfortable.
And I want to
getting
do
old.
a bit more camping in our swag.
Yeah. So this will allow us a bit more freedom to go out and, yeah.
Yeah. We've got one more thing
One
to
more
show
thing
you.
that will help keep everything charged.
Yeah. Hang on a minute. While John's getting this one ready, it's something we've never had before. And I think it's going to be, I hate saying the word because, you know, everyone says it, but I think it's going to be a game changer for us.
It is going to be... Jesus. It is going to be a game changer because now we can actually keep our batteries charged.
Okay, it is an Atem Power 200 watt, 12 volt folding solar panel. 200 watt.
Whoa, that's pretty
Is
good.
that good, is it?
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
All right.
Oh, it's got a carry bag too. We're going to say that, were you?
I was going to say that, but that's okay. That's
Let's
okay.
do it.
No. So, it's a 12 volt solar panel kit, Mono Shingled ETFE battery.
Okay. So this will plug into our dual battery system, so it'll keep the battery charged because obviously it's a solar panel, and we'll be able to go off grid for ages with this.
Yeah.
Like ages.
So when we'll on Ningaloo, I think it was, which you haven't seen yet, you'll see soon.
Yeah.
We needed to use our son-in-law's solar panels, didn't we?
Yeah, because our batteries were getting a bit low.
And we had no portable solar panels.
Yeah, so now we have a solar
So now
panel
we
of
have
our
one.
own. So I can't wait to get out and use this one.
Yeah, it's going to be good.
So you have a little handle on the top.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, it looks like a picnic table.
Just look at that so I can rest that down.
Okay.
And it actually got two little clips on the side. 1, 2. You just open it up.
Oh, look at all this inside.
Okay.
Wow.
So you got a little Anderson plug here. You got little alligator clips you can clip onto your battery. But I've got an extension cord that plugs straight in.
What's that?
So that's your solar charge regulator.
Okay.
So you can run it regulated or unregulated.
So does this just lay flat or do you stand?
No,
Oh, it's got legs.
Got legs on it. So stand back. Hang on, let me show you the other side. The green light. It's already picking it up. So you just place it there like that. You get your extendable legs. Not many of these come out with legs either.
I know. How cool's that?
You still on it? How good is that? It's done. As you said, it's just like a picnic table. And so you can see the solar light on and that light on, so everything's working already. And it's a cloudy, rainy day. So there you go. How good is that? And how good was that? It was picking up already.
That's pretty good. All right.
Notes. Where's the chair?
Notes. It's got shingled cell technology. Do you know what that means?
Yep.
Okay, it means it uses a string of strips instead of ribbons and bush bars, which gives you maximum energy output.
I know about that. Yep.
All right.
That is good.
It gets 15 to 20% more output than traditional panels with the electrically conductive adhesive technology.
That's got to be good.
Do you know what that means? It's
really
ECA technology, and that joins the panels together.
Yeah, I'm still slowly getting up there with the technology, but...
Okay. It's waterproof and rugged.
That's good. That means you can leave it out in the rain,
Yeah.
the hail.
Probably, yeah.
I wouldn't say
do
hail,
that.
but it's waterproof, dustproof.
Aluminium frame and an EP65 waterproof rating.
That's good.
All right. It's got a sleek design, which we've just showed you. It comes with a carry bag, and the package weight is 9.6 kilos.
That's pretty good.
The maximum power is 200 watts.
200 watts, that's good as well.
Now, these solar panels come with a 3-year warranty.
Oh, wow.
So that's got to say something.
That's they're saying their product is really good.
Yeah.
3-year warranty. So this is just an unboxing of it all, but we will do a full review when we're fully tested them yet, because we haven't tested them yet. We've just opened the boxes up.
In the coming weeks, there'll be like an install of the inverter.
Yep.
And then we'll be out in...
I'll do an install of the
Where are we
driving
going to
lights.
go? Up the beach or what?
I don't know.
Up the beach?
I don't know.
No, we'll go somewhere.
We'll go somewhere.
And we'll take all this with us, and we'll film it all and show you how it works.
Yeah, I can't wait.
He's pushing the camera. Rah! And we'll see you in the install videos. Remember, we have our Sunday night videos that is purely our travels. These midweek videos are just for things that we wanted to show you.
Yeah, but we really wanted a solar panel and an inverter for the car.
I know.
That's two things we really wanted. And also, I always wanted
the spotlights. We just never got spotlights.
Not spotlights, light bar. A
Light-
laser, not
sorry,
just not
sorry,
any.
yeah.
It's a laser light bar, so it should be bright.
I would like a winch, because I watch all these YouTubers and they get stuck and they're out by themselves.
We pretty much need a bull bar for a winch.
Oh.
We don't have a bull bar.
We've got a range.
Yet.
We've got a Ranger, so we can't have a bull bar, right?
We can have one, but just the weight.
Oh, okay. Well, you know. Oh, well. Thanks for watching this one. I know
Thanks,
they're
guys.
long-winded. We're only learning with you guys. Like, I am literally just reading off the paperwork we get to tell you. It's all a learning curve, but we hope that it'll keep it, that you guys will be interested in what we're showing
but
you.
we got all this stuff from Vic Offroad. So
Vic
jump
Offroad.
jump on the website and start ordering.
Yes, and get your 15% off. So.
And it was fast. It was pretty fast delivery as well.
It really was. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you Sunday nights
guys.
for our travels. See ya.
Bye. Wait, before we go, one more thing. It's got a carry handle.
That's pretty cool.
That's going to make it easy. And a little pocket in the side. Pretty cool. How good is that? Just carry it around wherever you want to go.